we've got a couple of nurseries close to where we live, and every time I pass them, it gets me thinking about growth, and why growth is so important. And I just love growth. Whether we're growing our product line, the Thermo Hog, Rumble Hog, all of which are new innovations, when I pass a nursery, I kind of tend to think of the company like it's a nursery full of plants or full of people that are planted and are growing and blossoming and hopefully stepping into their full potential. But if I, as the curator of the nursery, am not intentional about being sure that the plant is sized to the pot, people, when they're growing, they can really be restricted by the size of the pot in which they're planted. You could plant a oak seed, which could become a mighty oak tree, and put it in a 1-gallon pot, and that tree will only grow so big. And it's up to the leadership to identify people that have amazing potential and are being limited by the size of pot that they're planted in. I've seen that go the other direction. I've seen a company or a position with such unlimited, huge potential, but a person that just doesn't make the choice to extend the effort, or maybe just doesn't have the capacity to fulfill that particular role, but that could step into another role with amazing, maybe they're not an oak tree, maybe they're a hibiscus or a bougainvillea that can blossom just as beautifully. At the end of the day, it's not about new products. It's really about people stepping into their full potential, providing for their families in greater ways and doing bigger things, becoming more, doing more, having more, hopefully giving more, and becoming all that they could be. Being a business owner, I take that responsibility very seriously. There's some old ratty nurseries around that have improper irrigation and just, they're not fenced, so the animals get in, and what do you find there? Old ratty plants. Well, I want to have a big nursery. I want to provide a place with neat and tidy rows and organized spaces where beautiful plants can grow up and step into all that they're capable of being. I hope I've provided some food for thought, and be intentional about your plants and about your pots. And I'll see you on the next HOGCAST.